Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM5 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty motherboard, which controls the device's functions. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making repairs more extensive and costly. To fix this, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a spudger, tweezers, and a new motherboard for the Thermomix TM5. First, ensure that your device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base of the Thermomix. As you do this, keep track of the screws, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover from the body of the Thermomix, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Inside, you will see the motherboard, which is likely the source of the issue. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you confirm that the motherboard is faulty, you will need to disconnect the cables attached to it. Use your spudger to carefully pry up the connectors without damaging the surrounding components. Once all cables are disconnected, remove the screws holding the motherboard in place. Remember to apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. After the screws are removed, carefully lift the motherboard out of the casing. Place the new motherboard into the same position, ensuring that it aligns correctly with the screw holes. Reattach the screws to secure it in place. Once the motherboard is fitted, reconnect all cables, ensuring they are connected firmly and in the correct orientation. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After everything is reassembled, carefully place the cover back onto the Thermomix and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Finally, plug the device back in and turn it on to check if it's functioning properly. If it powers on, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motherboard. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you keep your Thermomix clean and avoid exposing it to moisture. Regular maintenance can help prolong the lifespan of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.